Here we go. I've been here for 2 hours and 45 minutes and Ace is instigating the play. Playtime. There she goes. I can't keep up with her. Look at that. Go on, William. Get her. Get her, William. Go on. Get her, William. Get Ace. Where's Ace? Get Ace. Go on. Get Ace. Get Ace, William. Go on. Get her. Oh, go on, William. Get Ace. Go on, William. Get Ace. Go on, Ace. Woo! Oh, yes, have a quick drink. Whoops. Go on, William. Get Ace. Good girl, Ace. You're having a play. Go on, William. Get Ace. Oh, stop for a sniff. Oh, drink of water. Go on, William. William's not that keen. Isn't that enough? Okay, we're going to go home now. Yeah, we'll go home now. Here he is. That's it. Yes, okay. See you, everyone.